Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we will start a new chapter that is called Atomic Structure, chapter number 3. Okay, okay, class. This is a basic structure of an atom. Okay, first we will read it, then we will start a discussion. All of you boys, pay attention. Today date is 20 September 2020. Subatomic particles. Electrons, protons, and neutrons are called subatomic particles. Right? I'm repeating again. Electrons, protons, neutrons. I'm talking about three particles. Okay, that three particles are called subatomic particles. Now, a next point is that protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, that is central dense region of an atom. Okay, along with these three particles, we are saying that the proton and neutron, these two present inside the nucleus, or you can say inside an atom. Okay, now electron move around the nucleus in the circular paths, orbits. Okay, electron, we are saying that around moving around the nucleus. So what does it mean? We will check it here. Now all of you boys, now look at there. Inside there is a we are saying that proton and neutron are present inside. Okay, and the electrons are revolving around the nucleus. In the diagram it is clearly seen here that the move, the particle which is in motion, it is called an electrons, and inside the atom we call it as a nucleus, proton and neutron. And look at there, boys. If we are asking what is inside the atom, okay, so we are saying that three kinds of particles, that is proton, neutron, and electron. And if we are saying, the question will come, what is subatomic particle? Again, same thing, that is proton, neutron, and electron are called as subatomic particles, right? Okay.